everyone, welcome to IS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So, without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Indian Navy's sail training ship Sudarshini sets sail for Lokayan 26. Vice Admiral Samir Saxena, the flag officer commanding in chief, Southern Naval Command, flagged off INS Sudarshini from Naval Base Kochi on 20 Jan 2026, marking the commencement of Lokayan 26, a long-range sailing expedition. This landmark voyage serves as a powerful symbol of India's maritime endeavor, showcasing nation's prominence in global maritime activities and Indian Navy's commitment to professional training and excellence in ocean sailing expedition. The flag off ceremony was witnessed by senior officers, enthusiastic members of the naval community, school children, along with the family members of the ship's crew and media personnel. On this occasion, Lokian 26 flag was unveiled by FOC in Sea South during his interaction with the crew. He underscored the ship's pivotal role as India's ambassador at large. He emphasized that the work transcends oceans and borders, forging bridges of friendship across the globe. The traditional send-off saw the three-masted barque unfurl her sails to the stirring accompaniment of the naval band. During the 10-month-long deployment, INS Sudarshini will traverse approximately 20,000 nautical miles, visiting 18 ports in 13 countries. One of the key highlights of the voyage in participation of the ship in Escale-et-Sète, France, making her debut at one of Europe's premier maritime festivals in March to April 2026. INS Sudarshini will represent India alongside renowned tall ships in the Mediterranean. Further, as a part of USA's 250th Independence Day celebrations in July 2026, the ship will join a grand international flotilla sailed 250 at New York during the International Parade of Sails, built indigenously by Goa Shipyard Limited. INS Sudarshini is a 54-meter sail training ship of the Indian Navy equipped with 20 sails covering a sail area of more than 1,000 square meters. The vessel offers an unparalleled platform for sea trainees and officer cadets to develop the timeless art of seamanship and navigation guided by wind and waves. As INS Sudarshini sails along ancient trade routes and modern sea lanes, she carries the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, furthering the vision of Mahasagar mutual and holistic advancement for security and growth across regions. So the next topic for the day is Vande Bharat sleeper train becomes a hit among passengers. The first commercial run of Vande Bharat sleeper train between Kamakhya and Howrah has received an overwhelming response from passengers, with all seats getting booked within a few hours of opening the ticket reservation through PRS and other sites. The swift sellout vividly reflects passengers' eagerness to experience the speed, comfort, and modern amenities of Vande Bharat sleeper, inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister on 17 January 2026. The train is scheduled to commence its maiden commercial journey with effect from 22nd January 2026 from Kamakhya and with effect from 23rd January 2026 from Howrah. The ticket booking windows for the new service opened on 19 January 2026 at 8 hours. Within less than 24 hours, tickets across all classes were completely sold out, reflecting the tremendous public enthusiasm for the premium semi-high speed service introduced. This remarkable response for its very first commercial run underlines the growing preference of passengers for faster, safer, and more comfortable rail travel options. The Kamakhya Howrah Vande Bharat sleeper is expected to significantly enhance connectivity between the northeast and eastern India, offering modern amenities, improved travel time, and a world-class overnight travel experience. The fully booked status within hours stand as a strong testament to the trust and excitement of passengers towards modern train services being introduced by Indian Railways, marking a new chapter in premium rail connectivity for the region. So the next topic for the day is CCI approves acquisition of 50.01% equity share capital of Triveni Pellets Private Limited by Tata Steel Limited. The Commission has approved acquisition of 50.01% equity share capital of Triveni Pellets Private Limited by Tata Steel Limited. The proposed combination relates to Tata Steel Limited's proposed acquisition of 50.01% equity share capital of Triveni Pellets Private Limited from Triveni Earth Movers Private Limited. Tata Steel Limited is a public limited listed entity engaged in integrated steel manufacturing operations ranging from mining to steel making to further processing. It is engaged in the production of sale of steel and related steel products serving diverse sectors such as agriculture, automotive, construction, energy and infrastructure. It is inter alia also engaged in the mining of iron ore and production of iron ore pellets, sponge iron and crude steel. TPPL is a private limited company engaged in the sale of iron ore pellets in India. TPPL's wholly owned subsidiary Brahmani River Pellets Limited is also engaged in production and sale of iron ore pellets in India. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.